Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann met with Haryana IPS officer Puran Kumar's family, where Bhagwant Mann has said that it is an attack on the Dalit Samaj. He has said that is this controversy that poor that it cannot be seen sitting on big chairs? The government should have taken action, is what he has reiterated, while he added that the victims killed just want justice and the FIR has no names. He's also said that the law cannot be ignored just for a favourite officer, adding that I have requested the Punjab governor to intervene. That's the statement coming in from Punjab Chief Minister. Listen in.
समाज को जानबूझकर षड्यंत्र के तहत मतलब टारगेट किया जा रहा है कि दलित भाईचारा है, दलित है, ये कैसे आगे ऊपर, वही वाली बात के बर्दाश्त नहीं करना। बस उनको क्यों नहीं करना भाई? सिस्टम में आए हैं, कोई वो सिफारिश लगा के तो आए नहीं, यूपीएससी क्लियर करके आए हैं, आईपीएस क्लियर करके आए हैं। इससे पहले सत्यम में काम करते थे, आईआईएम अहमदाबाद के स्टूडेंट हैं। कोई छोटी मोटी बात है, वहाँ एडमिशन नहीं मिलती। तो इसलिए मैं भी मांग करता हूँ कि जल्दी से जल्दी के केंद्र सरकार और राज्य सरकार, चलो सेम ही पार्टी है बीजेपी, वो परिवार के साथ बात करके उनकी भावनाओं की कदर करते हुए इनको इंसाफ।
Cutting across to my colleague Asim Bassi for further details after Punjab Chief Minister made that statement. And honestly, the points that he raised are rightly on everyone's minds with regards to the investigation, especially when he said that he's requested the Punjab governor to intervene. How do we see this moving forward?
Well, because the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann was here for some time, and he met wife of Y. Puran Kumar, and since she's from Punjab, Amneet Kaur, who's an IAS in Haryana, he categorically said that yes, he has met the Punjab governor. He's also the administrator of the UT Chandigarh, and requested to intervene. And he said that family must get justice. I would like to tell you the family of Y. Puran Kumar is basically stuck on two things. Like one, that the name of all the accused, all the suspects must be appropriately put in the FIR. Secondly, the action should be taken against DGP Haryana as well as SP Rohtak. Although SP Rohtak has been transferred, but the DGP continues to stay, Shatrujit Kapoor, Haryana, DGP of Haryana. So, and this morning, the family was also very, very upset, very, very unhappy that how the Chandigarh police moved the dead body of Y. Puran Kumar from one hospital to PGI for post-mortem without even consulting, without even the consent of the family. Now, just now, two cabinet ministers of Haryana and the top bureaucrats, be the chief secretary, the home secretary, the chief principal secretary of the chief minister, they have just entered the residence of Y. Puran Kumar, and it is learned that something big can happen, action can be taken by Haryana, because Haryana has been very slow on the action. Although be it Aam Aadmi Party, be it Congress, or be it social organizations, they have all been camping here, coming and going from here, and always pressing for action on justice. Tomorrow, the 31-member committee which has been formed for dialogue has announced a Mahapanchayat in Chandigarh for justice for Y. Puran Kumar.
All right, Asim, thank you for getting us the latest.